Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Blooming Gel is probably one of the most innovative products to hit the nail art scene. This unique gel polish allows you to create stunning, diffused designs with ease, perfect for both beginners and experienced nail artists. Whether you're aiming for a subtle, watercolor effect or a bold, abstract look, Blooming Gel opens up a world of creative possibilities, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their nail game. Number 5. Beetles Amber Attraction 5 Colors Gel Polish Set. This set features 5 gorgeous shades of chocolate brown, perfect for any season. It also includes a clear blooming gel to create unique nail art designs. These colors will complement any outfit. This gel polish kit comes in a seasonal gift box, making it an ideal present. It's suitable for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. You don't have to worry about choosing the right colors. You can easily create solid and glitter nail designs with these gel polishes. Remember, this is a UV gel and requires a base and top coat, which are sold separately. It offers great tenacity. The burnt orange and burgundy gel nail polish set is designed to last for 28 days or more. It will keep your nails looking beautiful for weeks. Please read the directions carefully, as this product may cause allergic reactions. It's formulated for nail use only. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. If any issues arise, seek medical advice immediately. Keep it out of reach of children. What we like. This set offers a beautiful collection of fall-inspired colors. It's easy to apply, perfect for both beginners and experienced nail artists. If you're looking for a seasonal upgrade to your nail game with a variety of colors, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The shades are gorgeous, nude pink, rose red, and milky white, and they go on smoothly with a rich, even finish. The colors are perfect for everyday wear or special occasions, and the gel formula lasts a long time without chipping. Easy to apply, such a good hold. When I paint my nails, I normally do my toenails only, but they last for over a month. Number 4. Modelones Blooming Gel Polish. This clear blooming gel works with any color gel to create amazing effects. It's easy to use, just apply it before your color gel and let your creativity flow. You can design your own unique manicure in seconds. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this blooming gel is perfect for you. It works with all nail art systems, allowing you to create marble, watercolor, and floral designs. It's the ideal gift for anyone who loves nail art. The Modelones Blooming Gel has a unique formula that ensures smooth blooming. It has been tested extensively to achieve the perfect consistency. This allows you to easily create any color effect you desire. This blooming gel can make your gel last for over 28 days with proper application. It's made with 9 toxin-free ingredients, making it safe and low odor. Enjoy beautiful nails without compromising your health. For the best results, use it with the same brand of gel polish. A skin test is recommended before use. If you have any issues, please contact us directly. We are always here to help you. What we like. This blooming gel allows you to create stunning effects with any color gel. It's designed for both experts and beginners, making it easy to achieve professional-looking results. If you like experimenting with different nail art styles, this product will be your new favorite. What people say. It goes on super smooth, levels itself out beautifully, and leaves a high-gloss finish that truly lasts. After curing under my LED lamp, the shine is glassy and hard, just like a salon manicure. It provides a strong protective layer that helps prevent chipping and peeling. Number 3. Beetles Blooming Gel 15 ml, Fall Halloween Nail Art. Want to create amazing nail art designs? This gel allows you to effortlessly create marble, watercolor, and floral prints. It's perfect for fancy and elegant nail art in seconds. This clear blooming gel is easy to use with any nail art system. Simply apply it before your color gel. Then, use a brush to create any effect you desire. The gel requires curing under a UV or LED lamp. It usually takes about 60 to 120 seconds. If you feel a stinging sensation, remove your hand and resume curing when it subsides. Beetles is a cruelty-free brand. They do not test any products on animals. It's a perfect beauty gift for women. This product is not suitable for children or minors. Avoid use during pregnancy or breastfeeding. It's also not recommended for those with sensitive skin. What we like. This gel makes creating marble, watercolor, and floral designs a breeze. It's easy to apply and suitable for all nail art systems. If you are looking for a cruelty-free option that delivers beautiful results, this is the one for you. What people say. The gel applies smoothly and evenly, giving me a perfect base for a flawless finish. It dries quickly under both UV and LED light, curing perfectly in just a short amount of time. You can design such cute and easy nails with one coat of blooming gel. Number 2. Makartt Blooming Gel 15 ml, Nail Art Polish. This clear gel allows you to create stunning watercolor, marble, and flower nail art designs. It works with any gel nail polish, giving you endless possibilities for your manicure. It's perfect for both professionals and beginners. The clear formula works with all your favorite colored gel polishes. Watch as different colors blend and bloom on your nails, creating gorgeous effects. This gel is designed to work seamlessly with your entire nail system. Creating beautiful blooming nails is now easier than ever. This gel makes it simple to achieve professional-looking designs at home or in the salon. It saves you time and money, and with proper application, it can last for over 3 weeks. This blooming gel comes in a beautiful gift box, making it an ideal present for any nail art lover. It's a great gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. Give the gift of beautiful nails. This nail polish is made with toxin-free ingredients and has a low odor. It's safe for your nails, with no harsh chemicals or adhesives. Explore endless design possibilities with this amazing product. What we like. This clear gel works with all color gel polishes, allowing for endless creativity. It's easy to use, making blooming nails accessible to everyone. If you have a passion for nail art and want to save time and money, you should consider this. What people say. It has a smooth consistency that makes creating beautiful floral and watercolor nail art so easy. The gel spreads perfectly on the nail, allowing the colors to blend naturally and bloom beautifully. It cures quickly and doesn't shrink or dry too fast, giving you plenty of time to work on your designs. Number 1. Morovan Blooming Gel Kit. Introducing the Morovan Blooming Gel Kit. This kit allows you to create beautiful watercolor, marble, and airbrushed effects. It's perfect for any gel nail polish color. Applying this blooming gel is simple. Just cure it under an LED lamp for 60 to 120 seconds. It has strong concealing power, and is smooth and easy to apply. The Morovan Blooming Gel is made with toxin-free ingredients, making it safe and low odor. It can make your nails last for over 3 weeks. It's easy to use and healthy for your nails. This kit comes in an exquisite gift box, making it an ideal present. It's perfect for Christmas, birthdays, and other special occasions. It's suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional nail artists. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're committed to providing high-quality products and excellent service. Enjoy your shopping experience. What we like. This kit helps you achieve beautiful watercolor, marble, and floral designs. It's easy to apply and made with toxin-free ingredients. If you're looking for a safe and easy way to create stunning nail art, you should consider this. What people say. The color selection is great, 3 basic cream colors, white included to do French tip if you want, the 3 chameleon colors are nice, the 3 hot-cold shades are attractive, and metallic, gold and platinum, are sheer, blend well with color-changing gel, platinum bottom, color change top, pictured, 1 layer each, dot. The base and top coat, included, layers dried fairly quickly, top coat is flexible and seals with mirror finish, without running to the edges of your nail. I've been using the brush-on colors for a while and have really enjoyed those, but was pretty intimidated by the flakes until I tried them. I had absolutely no reason to worry they are foolproof. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.